The Asian pear, scientifically known as Pyrus perifolia, belongs to the Rosaceae family. It's native to East Asia, particularly China, Japan and Korea, but it's also cultivated in other parts of the world like the United States. In appearance, Asian pears are round, crisp, and often have a golden yellow skin with a slightly russet texture. They're known for their unique taste, which is a combination of sweetness and crispness akin to a cross between an apple and a pear. Nutritionally, Asian pears are rich in fiber, vitamins C and K, and potassium. They're also low in calories, making them a healthy snack option. Asian pears can be eaten fresh, added to salads, or used in cooking and baking. They're also commonly juiced or made into preserves and jams. However, some cons of Asian pears include their relatively short shelf life compared to other fruits and their susceptibility to bruising. Additionally, some people may find their texture too crunchy compared to traditional pears.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more related contents about nature.